Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces. Today discuss about topics. First one, introduction, definition of light. What is meant by refraction? Let's start the class. Today I will explain new chapter, refraction of light at curved surfaces. Okay, new chapter, refraction of light at curved surfaces. First one, introduction. Refraction of light at curved surfaces. Introduction. Okay, now you have learned about refraction of light at plane surfaces in the previous chapter. Already completed that chapter. Okay, refraction of light at plane surfaces. Already that chapter completed. Okay, plane. This is plane. This is vertical line. Okay, this is plane. This here rarer medium. This is denser medium. Okay, this is a vertical line. This is horizontal line. Okay, like upper side rarer medium, downside denser medium. This is previous chapter. Now let us understand refraction of light at curved surfaces. Refraction of light at a curved surface. Okay, this like this is curve. Okay, first one and second one. This is first one, this is second one. Curved surface. Curved surfaces. Okay, what is this is? This is line. Okay, normal line. Okay, normal line. This is plane. This is what? Curved surfaces. Curved surfaces. And first one and the second one. Okay, this is first one, this is second one. This is curved surface, this is convex. This is convex. This is concave. This is concave. Curved surfaces. This is convex, this is concave. Okay, it is common observation that some people uses spectacles for reading. Okay, for example, this is spectacles. Spectacles. Okay, spectacles. This is lens. This is lens. This lens is curved surfaces. Curved surfaces. You observe them. This is, for example, lens, convex lens. Convex lens. Okay, see the letters. See the letters. See the letters. For example, some people uses spectacles for reading purpose. Reading purpose. Okay. Another example, the watch. Repair uses a small magnifying glass to see thin parts of watch. Okay, watch is there, small watch. Magnifying small glasses. See thin parts of watches. This example. Okay, another example. Okay, this is spoon. This is spoon. Okay, spoon is a curved surfaces. Curved surfaces. Okay, this is, for example, concave. Concave. Okay, done. Okay, this is another curve. This is convex. This is convex. This is convex. This is concave. This is example. First one, definition of light. Definition of light. Okay, light is a form of energy which gives sensation of sight or vision. This is definition. Okay, I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Okay, definition of light. Light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of sight or vision. Okay, light is a form of energy. Okay, energy means capacity due to work. Okay, which gives sensation of sight or vision. Okay, sight or vision means visible. Okay, light. This definition. For example, this is dark room. Okay, after that, switch on the light. Switch on the light. Okay, okay, light. This dark room. After that, visible. Okay, light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of sight or vision. This is example for light. Next one, properties of light. Properties of light. First one, it travels in vacuum with the velocity of 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Okay, light travels in vacuum. Vacuum is this one, night times. Okay, night times only dark. Okay, with the velocity. What is meant to be velocity? The rate of change of displacement. The rate of change of displacement. Okay, it travels in vacuum with the velocity of maximum light 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Okay, this is first point. And second point, the rectilinear propagation. Rectilinear. Okay, rectilinear means straight line. Okay, light is a always straight line. No curved line and no shape. The rectilinear means straight line. Light is a straight line. Okay, next one, third point, reflection and refraction. Okay, reflection means when a light traveling in one medium falls on a surface of another medium. Okay, a part of light is turned back into the same medium. This phenomena is called as a reflection of light. Next one, refraction. The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. Okay, this one first point and second point and third point, properties of light. Definition of refraction. The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Refraction. The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. This is definition. For example, this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Okay, after that, this is normal line. Okay, this is normal line or vertical line. Okay, horizontal line here 0. Okay, 10, 20, 30, up to this is 90. Okay, normal line 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. Okay, upper side rarer medium. Upper side rarer medium. Okay, downside denser medium. Denser medium. How many mediums is there? There are two is there. First medium rarer medium. Second denser medium. Okay, denser medium here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, here 90. Okay, up to 180. Up to 180. Okay, now angle of incidency 30 degrees. This line is a angle of incidency. Angle of incidency. After that, refracted. After that, refracted. After that, refracted. Refracted. See the figure. What is meant by refraction? The process of changing a speed when light travels from one medium to another medium. One medium 30 degrees. One medium 30 degrees. And second medium 50 degrees. Okay, changing a speed. Changing speed when a light. Okay, see, observe. Changing a speed. This example for refraction of light. This example for refraction of light.